Welcome to your tutorial on exercise 9b. We are looking at solving equations using a method called inspection. So when we're inspecting something, we're essentially looking for what it would be and having a go at guessing. So again, go through our notes, we put our heading and our date at the top of our page. So with inspection, let's go through our notes to start off with. So solving an equation means finding the values of those numerals, and we want to make sure that they are true. So essentially, we have an equation and we want to find the number that represents, that we could substitute in for our equation here. Okay, and that particular number, that value which makes the equation true, which makes this correct, is called a solution. If we have multiple numerals, we could have multiple solutions. One method for solving equations is by inspection. So, trial and error essentially. So, try different values and kind of see which one makes sense until you get that equation to be true. So, with this one that you had up here, 9 minus x equals 6. 9 minus 2 doesn't equal 6. 9 minus 3 does equal 6. I've just solved that using inspection. So a solution can also be checked. So to double check that this is correct, you can substitute it back in as I did before. So 9 minus 3 equals 6. Yep, that's true. Therefore, x equals 3 is a solution. When you are approaching these questions in terms of using this method of inspection, I want you to think a little bit more about having your equation. This is your equation. Let's just write equation so we know what we're talking about. So we have our equation, and essentially we have our left-hand side and our right-hand side, and think of it a little bit like a scale. So our left-hand side has to equal our right-hand side. And the cool thing about equations as well, you can balance an equation by doing these operations as long as you do it to both sides. So if I wanted to get rid of 2 on my left-hand side, I have to take away, so I have to minus 2 on the left-hand side. I have to also do it on my right-hand side. If I had to divide by 3 on my left-hand side, I would also have to divide by 3 on my right-hand side. Now hopping on to our questions.